Welcome back. So today we're going to the Brooklyn Museum. As you can tell by the title of this video, I wanted to see this exhibit for a while. It's the Africa Fashion exhibit. If you're new to my channel, I love fashion, and especially being in New York, it's like the perfect city for that. So here's the museum right here. It's a rainy day in Brooklyn, perfect day to be at a museum. And yeah, the exhibit actually closes this week, and I'm so happy I get to see it before it closes. I've heard nothing but great things. If you all follow Amanda Murray on Instagram, London Girl on NYC, fashion icon, obviously, but she was saying that the curators of the museum are from V&A, and I was just at V&A when I was in London, so I'm so excited to see it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we just got out of the exhibit. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, things hot. So good. Like, I know it's like the last weekend, it's open. By the time this video goes up, it'll already be closed, but it was just so incredibly, like, so well curated. If I could find a link, I, of course, If there's a gift shop, I'm buying something. No. It's like that Denzel meme. It's like I'm leaving with something. No, but the coffee table, I got the coffee table, a shirt, and then a coffee table, the coffee table book of the collection. But so well curated, just all the way from like African independence, like colonialism, independence, Pan-Africanism, how that shaped fashion, the textile industry, just so well done. If you can find the coffee table book, highly recommend. Look up the designers all featured. I feel like it's like a history lesson, like an exhibition, obviously, of current designers. And then it was so beautiful how the gift shop was. I don't think I got any footage, but it ended with like a lot of the designers that you saw throughout the video had pieces selected for the, like, it was so well curated. That was incredible. Well done to the V&A team. That was really, really good. And I'm so excited to even just like flip through the coffee table book and hopefully learn more. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope you saw something new, inspiring, you know, something that could spark an idea for you in your business. If you want to learn more about Lavi Rèv, work with me, all that, links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.